It can happen in an instant. A single spark turns into a massive blaze, scarring our mountain wildlands and communities. For more than 50 years, TreePeople has worked to restore and protect these vital ecosystems from the effects of wildfire. Every year, TreePeople, along with thousands of volunteers and Los Angeles area students, mobilize to bring back this critical habitat by planting native trees and native plants in burn areas across Southern California. From the heat of summer to the cold of winter, TreePeople cares for every tree and every plant it puts into the ground, making sure that our plantings can not only survive, but thrive. We also work to preserve our native biodiversity. We carefully collect local seeds and grow thousands of native trees and plants every year at our nursery in the Santa Monica Mountains, which is one of only 2 nurseries in the area that is accredited to provide plants for Forest Service projects. With your help, TreePeople can expand our restoration work into even the most difficult to reach areas in the Santa Monica, San Gabriel, and Sierra Plana Mountains. And we can continue to engage and inspire the next generation of environmental schools through hands-on action. Together, we can plant a greener, healthier, and more resilient world. Join us.